Yo, what up, family? What up? So, midweek updates, man. So far, so good. This week looking pretty solid. We're going to go through the updates to see where the market is and what's been going on with the trades that I've shared with you guys this past weekend. And then we are also going to be announcing the winner of the mentoring package. So, again, for those of y'all that are new to the YouTube, welcome. My name is DeAndre. I've been trading for about 11 years. I focus primarily on Elliott Wave and smart money concepts. We're going to start off with the winner of the actual mentoring package from the last 8 weeks. So every 8 weeks for the remaining of 2026, I'm giving away a free mentoring package to those who are interacting with the community and dropping comments on the YouTube videos each week. So it looks like the winner of this 8 weeks is going to be this person here. If you're watching this, when you do see this, send me a message on Telegram. My Telegram information is here. If you're in the chat room, you can just post in the chat room to let me know it's you. The only other person I noticed that had the second amount of comments was this person, but the only reason I couldn't qualify you is because you did all of them 8 days ago, all of them on one day. Definitely thank you, but try to, for those of y'all that want to enter in the next round, which is starting this video over the next 8 weeks, I will be picking the next person. It has to be each week that there's a drop. You have to drop comments, so you can't just drop them all on one day. Other than that, this is going to be the winner for this 8 weeks. So again, send me a message on Telegram and I will get you set up to the mentoring community. Welcome to the family, bro. So let's dive on in on the updates to see where price action is. So this week, we wanted to take everything slow and just let price action show itself. So there wasn't many trades. I only shared with you guys one opportunity, which did hit the target, which we'll go over shortly. But starting off with the DXY, we just wanted to see what it was going to do, whether it was going to break and close below this low, or we were going to get a shift back above this high towards the upside. Now, I'm still watching this. As you guys can see, we are still respecting that same zone that I've been showing you guys for the last few weeks. We could still break down further. So overall on this, I'm going to still be cautious. I'm not making any moves right now on the DXY. I really wanted to show its next move, so it might cause for me to wait for the rest of this week to see where price action closes out for the week to see if we end up closing with a high or with a new low. So I'm going to continuously wait on the DXY. Next, we're going to go over EURUSD. So EU this week, same thing from the update. We were looking at price action to either break above this level or close below this level to give us a confirmed shift. We are still in between. I did share with the team an opportunity right here yesterday where we were looking at price action to potentially head further towards the upside, but we actually missed the trade. But it wouldn't have actually went all the way up, as you guys can see anyways, but we at least broke even on this one for sure. So I think it finished around 50%. We were only looking to target this high. From an entry around here, it literally pushed up about 50%, but we missed that complete trade. So still waiting on this to either break the high or break the low. Other than that, no trade for me right now on EURUSD. So the one that did do good for us this week, EURNZD, tapped into the zone perfectly and shot up into the target zone. So if you guys were able to make some profit on that, let me know. Drop that down in the comments. Hope you guys were able to do something there. As me personally taking this week as a light week, we were still able to become profitable this week. So didn't really do too much trading. Again, we could have made a little bit of money on EURUSD if we would have caught that scalp. Potentially maybe 50%. We could have took some partials before closing back at entry. But EURNZD did come through for us to hit the full range. So that one there was profitable. So other than that, those are the only trades we were literally looking at. So that means we are now going for the 10th profitable week. I don't really have much else that I am looking for this week. So I will be wrapping it up with that profitable trade and just skating off this week. We still have a lot going on when it comes to the war situation and everything going on pertaining to that. Still on edge, really wanted to see what happens, especially with the announcement that was made over the past weekend with Trump saying that they have potential negotiations. But then again, you have Iran saying that that that's not potentially true. So who knows how the next few days are going to unfold. So still cautious on that side. But overall, man, another profitable week. So we are now on a 10-week streak of just being consistently profitable. So that's a beautiful thing. Gold. I did share with gold also that I was looking for a bullish bias. So let me not leave that out. And we were looking for a small correction and then a continuation. And so I hate being that person to tell you guys about it, but not actually show you the proof. So give me a second. So again, if you're in the community chat room, link down below in the description. It's completely free. Make sure y'all are in the chat room. That's where I post all of these updates. But I did let someone know about gold. So someone asked what the opinions on gold were and time for upside. And this was a personal chart that I did share with another community as well. So again, you can see gold here at 4476. So around this range, we got the pullback, as you guys can see, and then the push towards the upside. And we were looking at overall 4,700 to be achieved, which is around here. So it's about 50%, as you guys can see. So I didn't want y'all to feel like I was making anything up. So another solid, beautiful week. We are continuously slaughtering the market, man. That's really all I got for y'all. I don't really have anything else right now. Outside of that, the trades, even from last week, are still moving in intended direction. So GJ is still slowly pushing towards the upside. You got odd USD still slowly pushing towards the downside. And even NZD USD, it's been a headache. This is horrible, choppy market, but it's still moving its way down. We do also have potentially a head and shoulders forming right here. It's not the best, but it is something that's potentially forming. So this could be something that's confirming that bias, I would say, towards the direction that we are wanting to see. So you have AU showing signs of more downside. You have NU showing more signs of downside. EU is still in between, but it did close and give us a change of character, which is a sign of downside. So whether this is just a short-term correction and continuation down, or price action is going to go for a little bit more of a correction and then continuation towards the downside, it is showing those signs towards the downside. And so if you take those in consideration, then you would expect the DXY to go towards the upside. And as of right now, we are still respecting that key zone. So, I mean, the signs are still there for everything to still push towards the upside, as well as some of those cross pairs to push towards the downside. Again, for now, this week, I'm definitely going to be chilling to just continuously see what the market wants to do and let it show its next move. But other than that, man, another profitable week. Again, I appreciate all of y'all for tuning in. Drop a comment down below to enter the next mentoring giveaway. Each week, drop a comment. Doesn't matter what it is, as long as you're dropping a comment. At the end of the 8 weeks, I will go back to see who's all dropped comments. The person with the most comments is going to get the package. If there's a tie, then we're going to be doing I'll do an online generator with the people who tied, and then it'll automatically pick the winner for that. So we'll do it that way. Outside of that, appreciate y'all. Again, the winner of today's package, please send me a message on Telegram. Again, that winner is this person right here. So send me a message on Telegram, and then I will get you set up. All right, appreciate y'all.